Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Caravan key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you have the correct replacement battery and tools ready. Gather a small, flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which will prevent losing small parts. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic or damaging any internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your Dodge Caravan, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.